Hi everyone, welcome to C and Learn. My name is Aisha and in this video I am going to explain output function printf in C language. So printf is used as output function in C language. It prints the given statement to the console. Whatever you will write in the printf function will be printed on the console. This is the printf function. First place is for printing the string in the printf function, and second for printing the values of the variable you can use the printf function. So the format of printf function is as this: printf formatted string and variable list terminated by semicolon. Here format string can be %d, %c or %s or %f. This is according to the data type you use in the program or your type of variable. If your variable is integer type, you have to use %d. If your variable is of character type, you have to use %c. If your variable is of string type, you have to use %s. If your variable is of float type, you have to use %f. Here I have written two examples. First is for printing the string. The first use is printing the string. So in printf, simply hello world is written and it will be printed as it is on the console after you will run the program. And here the second example is, here we have used three different variables a, b, c with different data types. A is of integer type, b is of float type and c is of character type, and we have printed all these variables. So we will see this program using the Turbo C. We will write this program in Turbo C. So I have written the program. We will create the new file. We'll start from the scratch. Hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h void main. Here stdio.h stands for standard input output header file and conio.h stands for console oriented input output header file. Then we will use printf function for printing the string hello. Now we will save this program. Shortcut for saving this is F2, and you can use like this F2 and delete this no name and write the name of the program. Suppose we will write hello world.c, as you have written the program in C language, so extension should be C. Okay, then we will compile the program by Alt F9 and we will the spelling, I have corrected the spelling of printer, and for running the program we will use Control F9. So hello world will be printed in the output. Suppose I run the program second time, then it will print this again hello world. So we will use here clr_scr. This function will use to clear the screen. Now I am again running the program. Hello world is printed only once. Now we will make some changes in the program. We will write the program, same program for printing the three very different variables. Integer a is equals to 10, float b is equals to 14.3, character c is equals to A. Now we will print all these. We have seen the syntax of printing the variables, so we will write here according to that syntax. A percent A is equals to percent D, B is equals to percent F, C is equals to percent C. Now we will write A comma B comma C. Now we will run the program. Now you can see the output. A is equals to 10, B is equals to 14.300000 and C is equals to A. We have seen all the lines in the all the variables in the same line, so I am making one more change, /n, for printing all the lines in different, all the variables in different line. We have seen backslash character constants, and in which we have seen /n for printing the, for using the new line. Now you can see the variable A, B, C are printed here. So I think you understand how to use printf and examples of printf. If you understand the concept of printf, you should try these two programs, or a program to print the hello world and to print the values of the variable at your home using the Turbo C. So that's it for today. Hope you would like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed.